So now for a few Chevy cold starts. We ain't got much snow in Canada in late December, but it is -9 out. So this is the 1990 Lumina of Doomina 3.1 V6. And let's see what's going to happen. Ugh. Doors froze. There we go. Got ass protection in the back seat, but don't need it here. Cold and snowy. Throttle's working good. It's fuel injected, so no pumpage required. Ignition. Yes! No smoke or nothing. Although it seems to have a knock or a misfire. Oh well. Shut her down. Now we'll go for something else. So this car is actually a Buick, a 92 Roadmaster, but as you can see it's kind of short. It ain't half the car it used to be. Well, it still can be called a Chevy because it's got a fuel-injected Chevy 350 V8 under the hood, small block. But of course I've got those modified exhaust system on this car with the functioning Buick venti ports. I'm not even going to bother with ass protection, but let's see how she fires up. Yep, ignition. Yeah. That's what I want to hear. Awesome. Oh, all right. Real shakers. Hand warmers too. Well, my Buick was on the ball today. Anyways. And now for the mighty Chevyak, dominator of the farm, destroyer of all. Alright, we'll just try her without prime, just some pumpage and chokeage. If the battery's still charged. Last time it was running was when I did those TV sets. You know, destroyed them. Ugh. Maybe I'll leave the cans on that prevent the rain. Give it some back pressure to help it start on a cold day. Okay, choke. A little bit of random pumpage for first try. Crank. Okay, a little more. Come on. Do you need slammage or what? Yes! Ah, likes to be treated rough. Come on. Little choke off. Yeah! Super sweet. I like it. Well, anyways, you can depend on your Chevrolet on a cold day.